Hello everyone, today I will show you how to make margin smaller in Google Docs. Open your Docs file. Now I'll make this document margin smaller. Select this file option. Now select page setup option and apply to select here whole document. Now I'll make top margin 2 centimeter. Also bottom margin make 2 centimeter and left and right margin I'll make 1.75, also right margin 1.75. Now simply select OK and see this. Now margin already decreases. Again I will change margin all of these pages. Simply select file option and page setup option. I'll remove all of this margin from my document. 0, 0, 0 and 0. Now simply select OK and see this. Margin are now gone. There is no margin. In this way you can change all of this margin, or you can change left or right. Also you can change top and bottom margin. Yeah, this is. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.